Hi everyone, it's Stacy Holman. Again. Okay, so I just got my delivery from Young Living, and I'm gonna go through it with you. I don't even remember what I got, so this is gonna be another surprise. We're having a windstorm out there. I think 50 to 55 miles it's supposed to get up to. So right now I don't have any internet. So I'm just gonna do a video because I just got Young Living. Okay, again, I don't remember what I got, but I'm really excited to be reminded. All right. Okay. I know what I got. Okay, I got another kit, so that will be, what else did I get? Okay, so, yep, got more deodorant. Although, you know what, I just wanted to try it, but you guys, I've used essential oils as deodorant, and it's awesome. I mean, it's therapeutic, and it goes into your bloodstream. Anything you wear goes into your blood, or anything you put on your body goes in your bloodstream. So you have to be very, very, very careful what you put on your body, because from what I'm told and from what I've researched, it can affect your mood. It can definitely affect your health. So you have to be very, very careful what you put on your body, because your body will absorb it. So that's why I'm all about Young Living, and I'm careful with the products I use in my home to clean my home. What I put on my face, my skin, be very, very careful. Okay, so, and Young Living products, there's no harsh chemicals, no toxins. It's fantastic. Oh, my hair looks atrocious. All right, so anyway, there's nothing to do because we have no power. I guess I could organize my craft room. I could stay warm that way, because with no power, there's no heat. Anyway, okay, so this deodorant is Cinefresh. I usually use the Sacred Mountain, but they are out of it, so we're temporarily out of it. So I'm using Cinefresh. And then I also got another Vitality. Let me take it out of the package, shall I? All right, and I'm hungry. I was gonna reheat dinner last night, but that's not gonna happen because the microwave doesn't work right now. I hate being without power. Okay, so Grapefruit Vitality. I put this in my water. I put in water, and this is great in desserts. So try it. Okay. You guys, okay. So I love ordering kits because it's a kit. It comes with everything you need. So this is Squeaky Clean Bundle. Ooh, you guys are so excited. I'm so excited right now. How do I open this? I'll just grab a pen. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to move that. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to jab the tape with a pen. I think we've all done that before. So, nothing new. I just don't want to get up to get scissors. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, so again, this is the Squeaky Clean bundle. Let me show you what I got. So I got Thieves hand sanitizing wipes, and I don't know why it took me forever to read that, but this is the Thieves hand sanitizing wipes. Okay, we'll put that over there. And dish soap. Oh, the plastic is kind of a glare on the plastic. So let me take it out of the plastic. Yes, please. Yes, please. You guys, even the dish soaps you buy from the store, be careful. Be careful what you have in your home and what you put on your, be careful. All right, okay. Messages. All right, and then the household cleaner. And, oh my goodness. You know what? Because the window's open and I'm opposite of the window. But I have shown this before, because a lot of the Thieves cleaning kits come with the household cleaner. So I probably have 4 bottles of these. I have another dish soap that's almost gone. But again, okay, I'm gonna repeat myself in this video like I did in the last video when I opened my home cleaning kit. I can't remember. I just love bundles and kits. So Thieves household cleaner, I actually clean my house with it, obviously, household cleaner, but yesterday I cleaned the kitchen, the bathrooms, I dusted. Yes, I use it to dust. And it's just a cap full of this, you guys. It's just a cap full. All right. So the one that is open is still, I mean, and then I washed my floors this morning and I used this, I used 2 capfuls. You guys, this stuff lasts a long time. So I do, again, like I said, I think this is my 4th bottle. Does that include the one that's open or not? I don't think it does. So this is my 5th bottle. Don't quote me on that. I have 4 or 5 of these. This is either my 4th or 5th bottle. But I have a few. I have a few of these because they last so long. Okay. And I might do a video on just, so many different ways to use these cleaners. What's this? Oh, another foaming hand wash. Okay. In my last shipment, this is huge. Is my other one this big? Yeah, I think so. So in my last video, I ordered one of these individually. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to bring it down here because the window glare starts here. You can see in my glasses. So I'm just gonna bring it down here. Foaming hand soap refill, Thieves. Okay, it's 32 ounces. Love this. I'm so excited. Okay. All right. So I have 4 more boxes in here. So I have these 2 boxes. And this one, not sure which one to open. Oh. Okay. So also in this kit, look at that. Oh, it comes with a bottle. So oil infused hand soap, seed to seal, quality commitment. Okay, so I can pour my hand soap in here. I already have hand soap in my kitchen and both my bathrooms. Where can I put this one? I'll figure it out because this is a nice bottle. Look at a nice bottle. That was really weird when I did that. All right. And then what's this one? What's this one? Okay. Another. Where am I going to put these? Well, because my bathroom foaming hand soap bottles, those are the plastic ones. Recyclable. Yeah. So I could probably... Yeah, I can move the one in the kitchen and one in the bathrooms. Well, I have two. I forgot I have two. Oh, this one's bigger. This one is 12 ounces. This one is 8.45 ounces. I'm going to have to figure some things out. I'm going to have to rearrange some things. I'm hooked on a feeling. And look at, okay, again, this is the Squeaky Clean Bundle. So, just to recap, because I'm very long-winded, I'm a talker. So just to recap, what's in the Squeaky Clean Bundle is the foaming hand soap refill, Thieves, okay, the Thieves household cleaner, Thieves dish soap, Thieves Thieves hand sanitizing wipes, two bottles for hand soap, and these are empty, okay, so you do have to fill them up, but they're nice, so nice. Yes, nice bottles. And last but not least, look at these. Here's a brush. You just push it in. Okay. Brush comes with the brush. Kind of hard. And then a foaming thing. I'm gonna have to foam. It's a, I don't know, probably to get in the tight spaces. Oh, you know I'm going to be using it. And, ooh, spongies. Okay. And then this is the handle that comes with it. Fun. Okay. So since I've, well, confession. Don't tell my husband, although he'll probably see this. Since I've since I started using Thieves household cleaner and just Thieves in general and essential oils. I look forward. I don't mind cleaning. I'm gonna put it that way. I don't mind cleaning my house because I know it's safe for myself, it's safe for my husband, it's safe for my fur babies. And I don't feel like bad, because when I think I've probably told this story so many times before in previous videos, but over-the-counter cleaning supplies, I have bad sinuses. So after I was done cleaning my house using store-bought cleaning products, first of all, my chest would hurt, my throat would hurt, and I was like constantly draining. I would get headaches every now and then. Using these products, I don't get any of that. And I'm not just saying that. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a brand partner for Young Living. I'm really and truly not saying it because of that. I'm saying it because I love you all and I want you to live your best, healthiest life. And Thieves household cleaner is a great start to that. So to start off, if you want to transform your life and detox your home, detox your body, I would start with the Thieves bundle, the regular Thieves bundle, because that comes with a couple of bottles of household cleaner, dish soap, hand sanitizer, and you can get that on my website. I'll post the link in the description. So, all right, I'm already over 15 minutes. So I'm going to stop the video, put the link in the description when my power comes back. And if you have any questions, please call or text me or email me, contact me, however it says in my website. Yeah, so, okay. All right, so I am signing off. Hopefully my power comes back on soon. And I love you all. Miss you. Okay, love you, miss you, bye.